Hello everyone, I'm Tianyuan. Today I want to share a simple recipe for steamed fish steaks. At the supermarket, you'll often find various frozen fish steaks, such as halibut steak, flounder steak, and cod steak. These fish are rich in healthy fats and omega-3, making them a nutritious choice. So, how can we cook them to make them delicious? Today I'll share an easy and tasty method to steam fish steaks, so you can enjoy a delightful meal at home. First, cut 200 grams of firm tofu into small pieces and place them in a strainer for an hour to drain excess water. You can see the collected water in the bowl. Use a paper towel to pat it dry, then set aside. Next, thaw the frozen halibut steaks. They will release a lot of water, which may take away some umami, but also reduces excess moisture. This helps prevent too much liquid from forming when steaming, creating a better balance. Pat the fish dry with a paper towel. Dry the tofu slices again if they release more moisture. Then lay them at the bottom of a large bowl and place the fish steaks on top. Slice some ginger and place it over the fish. Set aside extra ginger shreds in a small plate. Meanwhile, chop some scallions and small chili peppers, such as bird's eye chilies. If using fermented black beans, douqi, finely chop them first. They are optional and can be omitted if preferred. Place the tofu and fish in a boiling steamer. Cover and steam for 10 minutes until fully cooked. Heat oil in a small pan until smoking hot. Make sure the oil is heated until it starts smoking, very hot, to get the best results. So it's recommended to use oils with a higher smoke point. Let's begin. Meanwhile, top the fish with ginger, scallions, fermented black beans, and chili peppers. Pour the hot oil over them to release the aroma. Finish with 2 to 3 tablespoons of steamed fish soy sauce, available at Chinese supermarkets. Your steamed fish is ready to serve. When eating, you can enjoy the ginger and scallions together with the fish, or set them aside and simply take out the tender fish meat. Dip it in the soy sauce at the bottom, along with the tofu. It's absolutely delicious. All right, see you next time.